Hello, welcome to my channel. A quick thing, I thought I'd recorded it but I hadn't. So I painted this tip black first and then I gave it one coat of the Galaxy eye gel, cat eye gel thing. So this is the second coat going on. I just thought I'd recorded it and I hadn't. So I'm just giving it a second coat and I get my magnet and I just whoosh it over at the side. How's everyone doing with all this snow? Oh my gosh. I pulled off my garage yesterday. I'm so glad my neighbour weren't there because I just, as I'm reversing, I'm sliding sideways. I'm like, my lord. But I've handled it alright. Work's not been too bad. Surprisingly, the customers have been about the same really, to be honest with you. Anyway, so once I've given it the green coat, I did give it a top coat. And now I'm just trying to find a sticker to put on top. And I'm like, oh, which one? This one, that one, this one, that one. So when I finally found the sticker I wanted, I had to get a Stanley knife to get it off because it's just stuck on there so tight. So I got the sticker and I put it on the nail and then I realised I put it on wonky. It wasn't straight. But like, I done that and I'm like, yeah, that looks good. Pushed it down and I'm like, Nish, that's so wonky. What was you like? Yeah, your eyes closed or something? Because that is wonky wonky. Anyway. So then I thought, should I put something else on? Like, nah. So I just got some painting gel, because that stuff dries without a tacky layer and you can use it on a top coat. SBD's painting gel. And I just put some snowdrops on it, really. Just a couple of dips, just here, there and everywhere. Just sprinkled the snow, like we've sprinkled it over the last few days. Where's that red gem come from? I just found a red gem in my lamp. Let's put that away before I lose it. Comes out that one. Yeah, so this is me just putting on a few a few snowflakes. And then I thought I'd put a bit of gem glue on at the top. And I put on a couple of rhinestones. Not crystals, they're rhinestones. Because to be honest with you, I've got loads of rhinestones and crystals. But I don't like using all my crystals for my nail art that's just going to hang around. I like to use my crystals on my nail art that I would use. I have used them on some videos, but I didn't want to use all my little small ones, like my SS2s and all that, or whatever they are. So I just used little rhinestones to put on there. But you can use real crystal gems, it's just I just want to use them up and get them out of the way. I've got like, you know, when you first start and you see all these things and you buy them, you think, yeah, that's amazing. And then you're like, Once you've got like proper crystals, you're like, But this is it. Let me know what you think. Thank you for your continued support. You have a lovely day and I shall see you later. Ta-da! Bye!